Ooh, oh, she went to sleep. What's going on? Person who made us go on this mission, you will be paid a great thing if you got those eggs. We did. We got some eggs.
We got something from space too. We also got eggs and we got a snake.
Yeah, we got almost anything. A snake. Ooh. Whoa!
We found these weapons.
These weapons. Let's try them. Yeah. Whoa!
They can cut through anything. Just don't touch anybody with that.
No, this is perfect for the Earth, or especially me.
Hey, do you want to bring out the snake?
No, don't open anything until I can get a full inspection. Okay, that is good. We're keeping it. Ooh, another one.
This one.
It's the green. It doesn't come on as much, but that's probably because it was used a lot and it might need battery. If these things even do have battery. But anyways, yep. Oh, he took out Eva. Okay. Nice. We found those eggshells. They fell off the planet that you were on. Did you move them or such? Is this the snake hole? Let's stand there.
I think it's trying to bite you.
Whoa!
Did you see the egg?
Put it inside the egg. The giant eggs. Wait, look. We'll snap it inside the egg cage. We're making that thing inside for a cage.
You didn't see the egg. You didn't see the egg.
Of course I saw it. I just was planning on one thing, and Teus, don't tell me how to do my job, or else you're fired. I'm your boss. That's okay, though. I'm just kidding. That's fine. But anyways, here, look at that. Wow. I joke a lot, because I'm Rachel's. Ooh, nice egg. Wow, you got a lot of good things. Wait a minute, do you hear that?
Yeah. I'm not sure if I do.
No, I don't hear anything.
Me either.
Wait a minute. Wait, no. I doubt anything's here.
They came back for the weapons!
Whoa! Don't kill it, we'll study it!
But I want it dead!
We'll put it inside the cage with the snake.
I want it dead!
We're not having it dead, man. We're gonna study it inside this cold egg. Well, I think that thing's a Kappa. Something unleashed them onto our planet, and we just want to know who. So, that is the reason of your mission. Those eggs are from a boob, and I do not know where that boob went. It went crazy.
Yeah.
Now we cannot find that boob. Did you see it on that planet?
Do you want me to go back on that planet and look?
No, I'm just asking if you saw it on that planet. And yes, we did see it on that planet. You did?
Yeah.
Oh man, you should have grabbed this. That is
Oh, I found the boob!
Oh! It came back! Capture it! It's the boob! Into the ice cage with the snake and the Kappa.
It's a boob!
It's a little springy, but that's good. They're frozen in sleep. Okay. We'll take this back to the lab. You will be paid $2 billion, each of you.
Pretend he does fates.
Whoops. And I'm falling on my face right now. About to faint. Oh, well, I'll just put it in your savings account. Thank you so much, though. That was the end. I played the monsters. Eva. I played some of the snake. I played Lana. I played Rachel. He played Intez. Whoop, whoop.
And I played the snake.
Yeah. The snake guy. I pretty much played the cat and the blue. Oh! Hey, that's test lab material. It's not going to get away this time. We have a force field in this. It's pretty dumb anyways. It's a baby.
Stay in there.
And I played Eva. Oh yeah, Eva. Let's do a spin with Eva. Woo. Okay. That is pretty much the end. And that lightsaber thingy as well.